What makes a product perfect? The perfect machine and the brightest minds. At Schaeffler, great sourcing, product development, and manufacturing come together right from the start. That's why we construct our own product lines, where we design, develop, implement, deliver, and supervise them worldwide. Our tailor-made machines enable precise manufacturing processes, which produce superior products. At Schaeffler, our creativity, ideas, and the vision to excel make us one Schaeffler with one promise: to deliver products made by Schaeffler for our customers worldwide. Our 4 production hubs in India are the perfect examples of this state-of-the-art technology and global production systems, which cater to the demands across the automotive and industrial customers around the world. Schaeffler India also operates one of the largest industrial manufacturing hubs in the region, for the region. Located in the city of Vadodara in Gujarat, one of India's largest states, Manija and Savli are 2 sophisticated production plants that manufacture a wide range of industrial products and systems. Both production plants are equipped with our custom-made, high-precision machines based on German technology. Managed by a highly experienced team of engineers and operators, these plants produce quality products that consistently meet and even exceed customer expectations. The plant in Manija has been serving industrial customers across the world for around 6 decades and is pivotal to the development of Schaeffler's footprint in the region. This plant is a key regional supplier of best-in-class industrial products and solutions, such as spherical roller bearings, cylindrical roller bearings, tapered roller bearings, and wheel set bearings to various industries, including the railways. India's second industrial plant, located in Savli, is best known for its stringent quality control and sophisticated processes. From heat treatment, grinding, and honing of the inner and outer rings of roller bearings to their assemblies, all processes are performed with utmost precision and safety. The deep groove ball bearings and large size bearings, known for their reliability in critical applications across sectors, are produced at the Savli plant. Quality testing for products manufactured in India are as stringent as those performed in Germany. To ensure highest quality standards consistently throughout the production process, regular and rigorous quality checks are performed at various production points. Schaeffler India is also constantly reviewing and perfecting its production processes to achieve optimal operational efficiency. Apart from producing high-quality products, Schaeffler India production plants also drive the entire procurement, production, and logistic chain, ensuring delivery of quality products to customers all over the world. Innovation and manufacturing excellence are the lifeblood of Schaeffler. Combining the expertise of industry professionals and the acumen of our business partners, we enhance the competitiveness of our customers and pioneer motion for the industry of the future.